In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features inside Asana: rules. If you've ever wished tasks could organize themselves or updates could happen automatically without you lifting a finger, then stick around, because this guide will show you exactly how to set up automation in Asana and save hours of manual work. Once you're logged into your Asana account, head over to the project where you'd like to set up automation. On the top bar, you'll notice an option called Customize. This is where the real magic begins. Click it, and inside the customization menu, you'll find the option to add a rule. Rules in Asana work on a simple trigger and action principle. A trigger is the event that kicks off the rule, and an action is what happens after. For example, you could set a trigger so that whenever a task is marked complete, the action is to move it into a done section or to automatically notify a teammate. When creating a rule, you can choose from templates. These are pre-built automations for common workflows, or you can select Create Custom Rule to design one tailored exactly to your process. If you go the custom route, start by choosing your trigger. Maybe it's when a task changes, status gets assigned, or reaches a due date. Next, define the action you want to follow. This could be moving the task to a new stage, assigning it to someone else, updating a field, or sending a notification. The key here is to think about repetitive actions you or your team often perform. Those are perfect candidates for automation. Once your trigger and action are set, double-check the configuration to make sure it matches your workflow. When you're ready, simply click Publish Rule. From this point forward, Asana will handle that process for you automatically, keeping your projects moving smoothly without constant manual updates. That's the beauty of rules in Asana. They're not just about saving clicks. They're about creating consistency, reducing errors, and freeing up time so you can focus on the work that truly matters. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore other automation options in Asana to build out even more efficient workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.